Right now you can see that the background of this particular project is white. But what you can do is you can change out the color of the background as you like as well. So to do that, what you need to do is navigate around onto the left side where you see design. So once you click on it, you can see that background is an option. At the time of the recording, you only have option to choose color as a background. So I'm just going to go around and choose right here, like a background color right here, and there you go. A background color is applied. Similarly, you can go around and click on background right here and choose whatever color you like, as you can see right here, or choose no color as well to make it transparent as well. So you got a transparent background now. What you can also do is you can see the background over here on the bottom right hand side. Once you click, you get the same option. So you can simply go around and select out the color right here. Or you can take the color picker right here to choose a color of your choice right here. And you can utilize the background just like this as well. And that is how you can set up base background inside of Pixlr Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.